Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix black screen with cursor on Windows 11 PC. So to fix this issue, let's jump to the solutions. The first solution is to restart your PC. To do so, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete button. Then click on Power menu at the bottom right corner of the screen and select Restart. This has fixed the issue for many users. So I hope this will work for you as well. If that doesn't work, then second solution is to untick turn on fast startup option in system settings. To do so, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC button together to open Task Manager. In Task Manager, click on Run New Task and type Control Panel and hit OK. It will open the control panel. Now click on Hardware and Sound, then click on Power Options. Then on the left panel, click on Choose what the power button does. Then click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now here make sure that Turn on Fast Startup recommended option is unticked. If it is not unticked, then untick it and then click on Save Changes. After doing so, your problem with black screen with cursor will be fixed. So I hope any one of the fixes mentioned in this video helped you to fix this issue. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates.